Hello, my name is Justin Morris and welcome to my instructional video on Google Documents. In this instructional video, I will go over several different items. Namely, I will be discussing how to create new Google Documents. I will also be discussing how to share and collaborate these documents. I will discuss on how we can change privacy settings in the Google Documents, and also sending these Google Docs as attachments. So to begin, log in with your Gmail account. And from here, you have several different options. Of course, you log into your Gmail account where you access all of your emails. You have access to calendar, documents, photos, sites, and also several more options. We're going to click on Documents. And here you will see a list of Google Documents that you already have. If you have none and you would like to create one, come over here to the left hand side on the Create button and click that button. Go down to Document if that's what you want to create, which is what we will be doing today. And you have begun a new document. To rename your document, you simply click Untitled Document, and a box will prompt you to rename your document. My new Google Doc is what I will name this one. Say OK. And here you have it. This is my Google Doc. Now you'll notice up here in the center it says saving. Every few seconds and after every change that you make to the document, Google Docs will automatically save your document, so you will never have to worry about saving it. Alright, so now I will be discussing on how to share or collaborate. All you do is simply come up here to the Share button, click that, and you'll notice a couple of different things. Number one, you have access to, it shows who has access to the document. This first area here, it says Private. You can actually change that and make it public on web, anyone with the link, or you can make it private. I'm going to keep it private. It will also show you, and it shows you as the owner. Now, you can also add people to collaborate with. So I'm going to invite my wife, Nancy. Type in their email address, and if you want to include more than one person, simply separate the emails with commas. You can also click this box that says Notify People via email. This will show up, an email will show up in their inbox notifying them that I want to share with them or collaborate with them with this Google Doc. So share and save after you're finished typing in the email address. And you'll notice here that they are now, the invite has been sent. You also know that here on the right hand side it says that this person, so my wife, who is actually logged under my account, Justin, can edit this document. You can also allocate them as a viewer or as a commenter. Now, as an editor, an editor can edit the document, invite other editors and viewers, and also can delete the document. Oh, excuse me, that's the owner. Editors can make changes to the document, export and copy the document. Viewers can see the document but can't make any changes, but they can export a copy of the document. I'm going to have Nancy be an editor. So I'm going to leave it that way and say done. Now you'll notice up here in the top right hand side that it shows that there is one other viewer. So click on that and it shows that Nancy is actually, she has opened the document. And this is really helpful with Google Docs because in this box you can actually chat remotely with this person. And this is helpful because as you As you're working the document, you can chat together and be able to make changes simultaneously. So here we have it. She has just sent me a chat message saying, let's get this project done. I agree. So now, if you'll notice here in the actual document, you'll see two different cursors. You'll see a pink, which with Nancy's email address there, jmorrisfam, and the pink also coordinates with her color here in the viewer. She can actually make changes to this Google document, and I can see it real time. And this is really helpful because it helps you to collaborate even though you're not right next to each other working at the same computer. All right, so now it's important to note that perhaps we want to change the privacy settings. So let's say we are done with this document. We are done. Good job. We go to share, and let's say we want to change this to public on the web. That's all we'll need to do. Now it's accessible to anybody. Now let's say we want to change that again, say anyone with a link. That's most likely what you'll want to do. So we'll click on save at anyone with a link, and done. Now it's available to anyone you send the link to. Now, just to finish up, sometimes after you've created a doc, and I'm actually going to go back to my home page, and I've created a new Google document here. If you want to send your Google document as an attachment, all you need to do is go to File, down to Email, Email as attachment, and then up here as attach as, you have several different options. I'm going to send mine as a PDF. I'm going to add Nancy, my wife, and add a message. Here is the proposal, and send it. That will then appear in her inbox with that message and also containing the attachment of the document. This is my tutorial on Google Documents. Thank you for your time.